Today, we're diving into the ASROCK Z690 Pro RS motherboard, a powerhouse of performance and compatibility. Designed for the latest 12th generation Intel processors, this ATX motherboard boasts the LGA 1700 socket, ensuring seamless integration with your choice of CPU. With support for DDR4 RAM, you can experience lightning-fast speeds and smooth multitasking capabilities. The Intel Z690 chipset provides a solid foundation for your gaming rig or workstation, offering a host of features to enhance your computing experience. One standout feature of the ASROCK Z690 Pro RS is its extensive connectivity options. Equipped with SATA 3 and USB 3.2 ports, you can connect a wide range of peripherals and storage devices with ease. The inclusion of M.2 slots further expands your storage possibilities, allowing for blazing fast data transfer speeds and quick boot times. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or power user, this motherboard has you covered. In terms of design, the ASROCK Z690 Pro RS sports a sleek and modern aesthetic, perfect for showcasing in your PC build. The ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, giving you the flexibility to create your dream setup. Plus, with robust build quality and premium components, you can trust in the reliability and durability of this motherboard for years to come. Overall, the ASROCK Z690 Pro RS stands out as one of the best options for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. With its impressive feature set, compatibility, and sleek design, it's sure to take your computing experience to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a first-time builder, this motherboard delivers on all fronts, making it a top choice for your next PC build project. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.